So dear friends, if you want to change the font size on your smartphone, then keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. First of all, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down a little bit and click on display. Again scroll down a little bit. And now here is the font size, just click on it. Now you see some size options here. If you go to the right side of this bar, then the font size will be increased like this. Now the font size has been increased. Again, if you want to decrease the font size, just bring this to the left side a little bit. And now see the font size has been decreased. And besides changing the font size, if you want to change the font style, you can do that too. Just click on font style. And by default, you get some font styles here. And if you want to get more font styles, just click on download fonts. Remember one thing, if you want to add more font styles here by downloading fonts, you gotta purchase them. I mean, you have to pay for this premium fonts, okay? And if you aren't having this font size and style option in your phone settings, don't worry. Look at the top side, here is a search bar. So just click on it and now search your font size. Now you get this option. So click on it. Now click on font size and style. In Premiere, you can change the font size and style. And if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.